This is the sad part about growing in the garden. I planted these, uh, but I planted them late, and this time I went a whole hog in planting older seeds I had. I germinated some of them through wet tissue method. I put them into, I let them grow. I dipped them in water for some time to hasten the process of germination, and I grew these. Unfortunately, I have no more space left to grow these. If you look around, every place I have taken, um, small, big, everywhere I have put these different kinds of. These are winter vegetables, so they in a month or so they will start dying out or bolting because it's going to get pretty hot. So that is why these ones are not really destined for. I'm just letting them grow in these seeding trays, but really there's nothing. And I asked friends around, people who also grow, they are in a similar situation, as in they don't have space to grow this. So at some point, I will need to destroy these because there's nothing I can do with them.